Hey, I'm Alex, and this is my final Jacquemus Thriftflip, and it is also the fastest.
Welcome back. It is day 3 of me wearing the same outfit, or however order I actually end up editing this video. Just know it's day 3. Okay, now we're moving on to our next Jacquemus Thriftflip, which is going to be Le Chemise Arles, or Arles. Je ne sais pas. We will be using a button-up shirt that I bought from the thrift store. The situation is a crop top and a skirt. Here's the thing, Jacquemus actually has the two connected, like the shirt is still one whole shirt in the back. We will be fully committing to the crop top skirt separation, specifically because I want to be able to wear the top with other garments. I do not want my crop top and my skirt to commit to each other. I want them to philander with other garment wear. I fully support the polyamory amongst my clothing.
Enters said shirt. He's anti-wrinkle, cherry red, and if Ricky Martin wore a shirt in 1998, this would be him. The first thing you have to do is figure out where you're going to cut the shirt, because you're either going to have a really short top or a really short skirt. So you really have to weigh the odds. What do you want to do? I got stressed out and assimilated a French designer who then smokes a piece of chalk.
Okay. She's actually freeballing at the end of that shirt. It's better to have a shirt a skirt that's too long than too short anyway, right? Like, 2 would just not be enough. We'd have to go up here. Yeah, right here, y'all. We're gonna give enough slack to have a seam allowance, but this seems like the thing to do. I'm not afraid of a crop top, y'all. I just wanna make sure that I have a skirt that's long enough. Jacquemus has it that it's kind of on the side. All right, so you have this little natural slit. This is good. We're making progress.
So upon deciding where I would then cut my shirt, I split up my skirt-shirt duo as per the polyamory agreement. I cut the front and the back, because what you do to one side you gotta do to the other, because I went to math class in the 9th grade and that's what they told me. And the next thing you want to do is take in the sides of the skirt. That's just you standing there pinning yourself on the sides because you still don't have a body form.
So we're gonna stitch this. Okay, and then this should be good. Oh, frick. Okay, we have to pin it.
You're then going to hem everything. All the raw edges must be hemmed. I was pretty proud of my hem job this time. Hem job. Oh, that's okay. I'm taking the sides of the skirt where I previously had pins before. Give the skirt a little try on, see if you need to add some darts to make it a little bit more fitted. I did. Make yourself a little dart. No big deal. Super easy. Oh yeah, so I tried to make a really smooth, cool transition with the pins, but then I ended up just having a mess that was kind of painful.
He needed to be a lumberjack, Mom. He always wanted to be one. That's the complexity of people who put up a tough exterior, is that they're not so tough. You're just not as in touch with your emotions.
And that is this tutorial, the easiest of DIY tutorials. Jacque-month is over. I feel like I learned some stuff doing this whole thing. Thanks, Jacquemus. Au revoir, sir.